High-income and medium-income earners can brace themselves for higher tax payments when Finance Minister Pravin Gordhan announces his budget next month. Experts say South Africa is on a fiscal consolidation path and needs to raise funds. Government will be looking at raising taxes to plug the shortfall in revenue announced in the medium-term budget policy statement in October.
There's the need for higher taxes, and it seems high-income earners will be the hardest hit. It's likely the skills levy paid by corporates will increase. The usual suspects, the sin taxes and the fuel levy, will also go up. But government may be wary of increasing value-added tax as consumers are under pressure, and an increase may have a negative effect on the economy.
It's not ideal at this point to go to the consumers. I don't think it's a popular tax to introduce. Given that there's so much headwinds around the consumers. Although they're facing headwinds, there is some recovery. It's not all dooms and gloom there. However, it just isn't the right time to introduce VAT. That has a potential to stall the economic growth that is nascent. There is some recovery in 2017. We could see GDP growth more than 1%, which is a different outcome from 2016. With that, you don't want to make sure that these things return into a negative outcome, so they're unlikely to do that.
With depressed private sector investment, Motata believes more needs to be done to encourage investments.
You give tax incentives for private investments, but as jobs creation and GDP growth continues, you may find that revenues actually increase, which makes it neutral in that outcome. It's a much needed outcome, because if you look at what's been driving growth in the last, let's say, 3 years, it has been the financial services sector and also real estate. What has been detracting from growth is private investments. And that needs to be turned around. With business confidence so low, I think some incentives need to be considered.
More details on the sugar tax are expected to be revealed in the budget. The finance minister will deliver the budget speech on the 22nd of February. Gloria Sofagomosi, SABC News, Johannesburg.